To create a garland using a garland base, you will need a garland, wire cutters, floral wire, and floral stems. Using wire cutters to trim the stems into smaller pieces, begin creating small bundles of stems and wrap floral wire around the base to hold them together. Attach the small bundles along the garland using floral wire, making sure to disperse them evenly along the garland. To create a garland by connecting stems together, you will need wire cutters, floral stems, and floral wire. Use wire cutters to trim the stems into smaller pieces. Begin creating small bundles of stems and wrap floral wire around the base to hold them together. Using one long stem of greenery as the base, begin attaching the small bundles to the stem using floral wire. Be sure to evenly disperse the bundles along the garland and make sure to cover all of the wire. Once your garland is complete, place it along the center of your dining room table as a beautiful accent piece.